We've got a Sony DVD player with up converter. All I'm told is it doesn't work. Kind of wonder how long it hasn't worked. Oh, jeez. Well, we'll have to clean that off. Let's take a look on the TV and see what happens. Power it on. Welcome, that's a good sign. Tray opens, we see a little Sony picture on the screen. Pull up a disc. Wonder if we're gonna have to hit play or if it, oh no. Went away. The anti-piracy stuff. Let's see if we get some. We got audio. Let's go ahead and try a more modern DVD. However, my guess is that the owner didn't have properly connected cables or had incorrect receiver settings, which happens quite frequently, so no need to get embarrassed. Those that don't revisit older technology quickly forget how long we used to spend just waiting. Whether this is a codec priority issue or something more sinister, the loading time seems strangely extended when testing more modern DVDs. It may actually be worthwhile checking out that DVD's laser eye. Really took a long time to load up that disc. Hopefully it's just surface damage. There's a potential that we'll have to go deeper if there's some blown traces, but let's take a look. So we're in the millivolts category. So instead of 1500 millivolts, we get 200 millivolts, and that's not good. I hope with this totally blown out one if we'll even get a reading on it. Nah, not much. Get out your 91% isopropyl alcohol. I just pour it right into the lid. You have a whole bunch of spills, you can neutralize the acid with a little bit of baking soda. I guess we can do a little bit of that too, huh? Sometimes we'll make a mess if you don't get it into solution. But then you just scrub the terminals. If this surface cleaning doesn't remedy the problem, we can take it apart for closer examination of the circuit board. I do see some little bit of corrosion on that terminal, so we will scrape that off. And even though it looks minor, it can actually make a pretty big difference. You can see it right in the coilings there. It shouldn't take long to dry out, and then we'll test it. Alright, with a little time to dry, let's pop them in and see what happens.
Transform and roll.
I think everything's working. Hey, I might be able to eat on time tonight. As long as we have the unit here, we can clean up that DVD's laser eye as well. It's super easy to open these up. Simply remove the 2 lateral screws along with the 3 in the rear before lifting up your top. Let's temporarily plug it in to eject the disc tray to get a better angle on the laser eye. For safety, unplug it during cleaning. The glistening piece located on top of the blue housing is your laser eye. Clean it up with a cotton swab soaked in 91% isopropyl alcohol. Hey, if I earned it, do me a favor and click that like button. and thanks for watching.